I'll be using Double Wispies by Ardell. They were about $5 at the drugstore.
Excuse my nails because I took off my acrylics and like now it left like dents and stuff in my nails, which really sucks.
So I'm going to grab my spoolie and brush the lashes back and forth over and over again. I probably do this for about 30 seconds to a minute just to make sure they're nice and uneven. So what I look for in lashes is a thin band. So you'll see around the edges here, the band isn't thick like you'll see in other lashes. It's very thin, and I need that to have the seamless look to make it look like they're actually growing out of my eyes. This is fast forwarded just so you can get a look at how I brush the lashes. I use quite a bit of force actually. I don't really care to keep them in the right shape because I know I can always just brush them back out. But you do want to make sure you're getting all the edges. You want to make sure you get the middle. I brush it up, I brush it down, I brush it towards the band, away from the band.
So sideways, it goes in all these different layers, and that is what we want. Compared to this one where you can clearly see where the shape is all uniform, that's not as fun. This is more realistic because eyelashes aren't uniform. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. This is the glue I use, Ardell Lash Strip. Dark, I like only dark or only black adhesive because the white sometimes dries white and then that takes away from the seamless look because you can clearly see that there's glue on there. And of course, a simple pair of tweezers.
To help maintain the shape, you want to make sure you bend the plastic backwards and then pull from the middle, not the edges.
Sorry, it's a little dirty because this is one that I use pretty much every day. If you don't use lash glue and you use hair glue, the hair glue is not good for your eyes, one, and two, it doesn't come off as easily. Like I'm able to strip these off every single day without damaging my eyelashes, and you don't want to damage your actual eyelashes because you need them things. Okay, you don't want to pull them off. You need something to stick the lashes to.
Put a thin layer of glue on the band, making sure to get the edges very well. And we don't want to apply it wet on our eye, so fan it out, blow on it a little bit for about 15-20 seconds and wait for it to get tacky. Then stick it on the middle, then on both edges, and notice the placement. I put it right above my lash line, like right where my lash comes out of my actual eye so that it is matching. Once it's secure, you can use your fingers to adjust it, push it down, and I press my fingers against my real lash and the fake lash to help blend them together. This is how they will look, and my eyelashes are curly, but I use mascara to blend the color. However, if you have straighter lashes, you may want to use mascara just to blend your lashes together. You're just gonna apply a quick coat and there we go. And then this is me doing the other eye. And this is a different view for you. As you can see, my impatience got the best of me and I did not wait for the glue to get tacky before applying the lash. So you can see where it moved around a little bit. Make sure you get the ends on very well and I'll show you how to remove that extra glue. I just take my tweezers and rub it against my eye to remove the glue. Gently, of course, it is your eyelid. And here we have the perfectly applied lashes. Like, are they mink? Are they real? Are they fake? Are they mine? What are they?